Hey everybody, welcome back to Pete's Classic Cycle. Pete here, and today we're standing next to an incredibly special motorcycle for multiple reasons. Now first off, this is a 1986 Suzuki RG500 Gamma. Suzuki's homologation special for the MotoGP series that was famously ridden by Kevin Schwantz. Now when looking back at all the big bore two-strokes from the 70s and 80s, it doesn't get any better than this. In my opinion, this is the pinnacle of two-stroke street bike performance. It's a square 4, 500cc two-stroke, just delivering an amazing power, full aluminum frame, front anti-dive forks, Suzuki's full floater rear suspension. This bike handles like it's on rails, and when the power band kicks, everything just turns to a blur. I've been very fortunate enough to have one of these for myself, and everything you hear about them is 100% true. These bikes are absolutely amazing, very light, very nimble, very fast, and very fun to ride. Now to address the big elephant in the room, yes, this is a real Canadian Walter Wolf Gamma, one of 99 made. And what makes this one so incredibly special that it's VIN number 833, which means it's the very first RG500 Walter Wolf to roll off the line. So what we have here is essentially Walter Wolf #1. Now this bike is, in my opinion, near concours edition. It is absolutely gorgeous. Obviously it's got the Jolly Moto expansion chambers, but the owner does have the original pipes. These bikes sound so incredibly good with chambers on them that I do not blame the owner for keeping the original pipes safely tucked away while you get to enjoy the full two-stroke roar out of the 4 cans coming out the back. I mean, this bike is absolutely amazing. Again, Walter Wolf #1 RG500 Gamma. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you really enjoyed this amazing bike as much as I have. And as always, please ride safe.